Hi, this is Principal Kaiden from Level Up Tuition, and right now I am at I don't know what you call this, a crater that is allowing the heat and the pressure from below the earth to escape. Right, so this is actually in Indonesia. We are at near Yogyakarta. Yeah, so this is the Dieng Plateau. Yeah, if you can see the over here, right, can you see the water boiling? All right, so it's quite crazy. Yeah, it's like the heat from under the ground finds a way out to the surface of the earth, and then there's water. The water actually comes from the rain. So water comes from the rain, it will boil it, and what you see here is the tiny water droplets. All right, it's not steam for those of you who are in my science class. So it's not steam, it's actually tiny water droplets. The steam is actually from the water, and then after that it loses heat to the surrounding air, and then it condenses into tiny water droplets. So it's like a giant pot of water. Right, it's crazy, crazy, crazy. And at the background of me, you can also see there are also a few other craters in the ground. So what happens is that the heat and the pressure from the ground, right, under the ground, comes up to bubbles up to the surface, and it releases the pressure. Because otherwise, if you don't do this, right, then what happens is that one day there'll be a giant explosion. It's like all the pressure is kept in the earth, and then there'll be a giant explosion, booms, and then that will be
like the crocodile.
Yeah, like a crocodile. Yeah, there's a giant explosion. So this is like a mini explosion. Yeah. So a little bit more. You can see the boiling, the bubbles that's boiling. Yeah. So this is actually a mixture of mud and water.